So bitwise operations, learned this the other day. What they are is just a manipulation of bit or numbers or patterns, such as a C program and unsigned int 60 in binary. It's just manipulations on these binary forms of variables. So the first one is the and symbol. So what that is, you would only you go by each spacing or index of each of the byte of the variable, and if it's true for both, then you write a 1. So there's no 1s here, so this will be 0, 0. Since there's only 1, 1 here, not in the int b, then it's 0. Since there's a 1 in the 5th slot and the 6th slot, then you would drop it down to 1, 1. So it should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So let's check that. So this in binary would be 1, 2, 4 plus 8 should be 12. So let's check it out. So, wait, what? Hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that. Not too extensively work in Python, not C, but I thought I'd try out C. So I was like, yeah, so the AND operator, so if C equaled A bitwise with the AND operator would be, this should be, since, yeah, like again, 0, 0, there's no 1 here, so those will both be 0. Since there's 2 1s here, they can do 1, 1, 0, 0, so with that in binary should be 12, so if you compile it, run it, the value is 12, so nice. The next one is the OR operation, so C equals A or B. So it means if it can be, it only has to have 1 in one slot, so if that's like, since there's no 1, there'll be C equals 0. Since there's no 1 in these either, there's no 0, but there's 1 here, so this would be 1, 1. So that would be what, 0, 0, 1, 1. Since there's OR, it's not AND, there's 1, so we do 1, 0, 1. So this in binary is some big number that's odd. What would it be? So it'll be 12, 13 plus 24. I mean, yeah, plus 48. No, I can't do my binary digits right now, but it's some big number. Yeah, 61. So, and then the next one is the caret symbol. So that's X or XOR, XOR. It's OR and OR. And pretty much what that one does is if you have a 1, you only need a 1 OR, but if they're at the same time, then they cancel each other out. So this one would be 0, 0, 1, 1. And these two would cancel each other out, so it'd be 0, 0, 0, 1. Which would be 1 plus, that's 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 32 is 48, so this would be 49. There, so. And then another one is the tilde. What does that stand for again? Binary ones, complement. Yeah, the complement. Alright, so it's pretty much it's just inversion. So this is A, so you're working on this one. You just do the opposite what it is. So this would be 1, 1. So it would be 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So what that would equal? So that's 5. I mean that's 3. 4 8 16 32 64 plus 128 is 192 plus 3 195, I think. I need to brush up on my area arithmetic. -61. Is that right? Well, I'm around with that. Anyways, we'll get to some things. So, and then the last, the last one is shifting. I'll just do both of them at the same time here. So pretty much, less than, or greater than greater, just tells you to shift everything. How many spaces? In this case, 2. So everything will be shifted 2 spots. So if you shift this number over, it'd be in the first spot, second spot, and just keep shifting over. So it'd be 1 1 0 0. Well, and then that should be 1 1 1 0 0 0. And this one would be, so shift, these 2 would be in the first spot, second spot, third spot, fourth spot. Oops. And then, yeah, so it'd be 240 and 15. That makes sense. Whoops. Because that would be, I think that's right. I screwed it up though, so yeah, either just shift it over so it's, oops, I mean no, did I do the wrong one? Oh, I did the wrong one. Yeah, there, I suck. Because if you want to, yeah, shifting everything 2 to the right, so this would be in the last spot, this would be in the 4th spot. Yeah, so it makes sense. And I have no idea how these are used in the real world because I'm just more or less do web development stuff, but just to display me working through bitwise operations.